Stop buying iPhone seriously if you're even remotely into photography, videography, or simply want the most cutting-edge smartphone camera system in 2025, then you've been looking in the wrong direction. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a professional-grade imaging machine in your pocket. From dual periscope telephoto lenses to a 1-inch sensor, this device is rewriting the rules of mobile photography. And in this video, we're diving into the camera system of the Pura 80 Ultra with everything you need to know: specs, features, real-world use cases, and why this phone deserves your attention more than any iPhone ever has. If you love this kind of deep dive, camera-focused review, make sure to hit that subscribe button now and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest in mobile photography tech. Let's start with the headline feature, the dual periscope telephoto camera system. Yes, you heard that right too. Dedicated telephoto lenses in one phone. One is a 3.7x optical zoom, and the other is an insane 9.4x optical zoom. Combined, they provide unmatched versatility in portrait, nature, and event photography. Whether you're shooting a skyline or capturing candid moments at a concert, the image quality stays crisp and sharp with virtually no loss in detail. Huawei calls it one lens, two eyes, and this setup eliminates the blurry digital zoom most flagships still struggle with. The result? DSLR-like optical compression in your portraits and buttery background separation that even your favorite camera app can't fake. But Huawei didn't stop there. The main camera sensor is a beast. A massive 1-inch sensor with ultra-high dynamic range capabilities, delivering up to 16 EV of dynamic range. That's 15x more than the previous generation. This sensor doesn't just capture photos, it captures light and shadow like a cinema-grade camera. The result? Photos that aren't just brighter, they're more dimensional. Every detail is preserved, from the brightest highlights to the deepest shadows. Fireworks, sunsets, candlelight portraits, you name it. The Pura 80 Ultra captures it with professional accuracy. Let's talk color science. Huawei's XMAGE color engine continues to evolve and now introduces the Red Maple Original Color imaging system. This delivers hyper-accurate color reproduction that retains the vibrancy of real life while avoiding oversaturation. Combine this with the upgraded AI composition assistant and you're looking at shots that are not only perfectly framed, but emotionally powerful. You get for new XMAGE color styles: natural, film, anime, and classic film grain with custom tuning available via color palettes. Share your unique look, lock in your vibe, and own your visual identity. It's pro color grading without ever touching a Lightroom slider. And it doesn't stop at photos. Huawei's video capture is next level. Thanks to real-time triple fusion technology, the Pura 80 Ultra captures high dynamic range video that's unlike anything we've seen on mobile. Fireworks show, you get every spark. Silhouetted dance scene at night? Faces are visible, backgrounds stay rich. Even when light conditions shift rapidly, like walking from sunlight into shadow, the exposure stays consistent and natural. And yes, you can shoot in full 4000 across all lenses, even the telephoto, with AI-powered stabilization. Concert photographers and K-pop fans, this one's for you. With ultra-high zoom capabilities and 4K video support on the tele lens, the Pura 80 Ultra puts your idol within reach no matter how far your seats are. You'll capture facial details, makeup, gestures, even eye contact with more clarity than your DSLR zoom ever could. And you'll do it without lugging a heavy lens. But what about reflection and glare? Huawei tackles this too with AI-powered anti-reflection correction, shooting through windows or glass barriers. The phone uses machine learning to separate reflections from the scene, remove them cleanly, and deliver a transparent, pure image. Combined with AI-assisted framing, the phone intelligently suggests better angles and focal lengths, so you're always ready to snap the perfect shot. Let's take a quick break and talk about real-world durability, because a pro camera system is only as good as the phone it's in. The Pura 80 Ultra is protected by second-generation Kunlun Chuan wood tempered glass. It's 25 times more resistant to drops and 16 times more resistant to scratches compared to standard smartphone glass. It's been lab tested with 1-meter drops, 20,000 button presses, and over 1 million touch interactions. This phone is built to survive. And if you're worried about low light or night shooting, this is where the Pura 80 Ultra truly crushes. iPhone's the red maple main sensor combined with intelligent ISO fusion and massive dynamic range lets you shoot in near darkness without relying on heavy noise reduction. You retain texture, realism, and light roll off. Your city nightscapes won't be washed out. Your food photos in dim restaurants will actually look like the real thing. But the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra isn't just about raw power, it's about ease of use too. From double-tap launch gestures to intuitive zoom switching, the camera UI is polished and fast. The AI continuously analyzes your scene, subject distance, and lighting to recommend optimal focal lengths. It's like having a photo director in your pocket at all times. Still want more? How about AI-powered real-time translation, privacy guard when strangers glance at your screen, and animated AR mascots that interact with you like a virtual pet? Sure, those are cool, but they're icing on a camera cake that already outclasses the competition. Now let's quickly mention panoramic shooting. Huawei's ultra-clear panoramic mode lets you capture wide scenes with full detail edge-to-edge. It's not just a stitched panorama, it's a high-res, edge-to-edge masterpiece with zero distortion and battery life. The 5700 mAh cell paired with 100W wired and 8D West wireless fast charging ensures you're always juiced and ready. No overheating, no throttling, and no waiting around. Charge it for 10 minutes and keep shooting for hours. Now here's the final mic drop. This phone also features satellite connectivity with dual mode, Qiantong satellite paging and Beidou satellite messaging. Even when off the grid, you can receive emergency notifications, send text-based messages, and even images. It's more than a camera, it's a survival tool. Huawei has built a camera phone so advanced, so intelligent, and so capable that it turns every moment into a professional-grade shot. No post-processing, no filters needed. The iPhone simply can't keep up. If you're ready to level up your content, your memories, and your photography, then forget the Fruit logo. It's time to embrace a new era of imaging. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the Pura 80 Ultra's unmatched camera system, smash that like button and subscribe now for more breakdowns of the world's most powerful tech.